Hello everyone, my name is Anfal. Today I will make a video about how the lubrication system works in a car engine. Before going into how it works, we need to know what the function of the lubrication system in a car is. The function of the lubrication system in a car is to reduce wear between parts that rub against each other. After knowing its function, there are several components that we need to know. Oil strainer filters lubricating oil from foreign particles so that it's not sucked into the oil pump. Oil pump distributes oil to moving parts of the engine. Oil filter anti-drain valve prevents oil from going back down when the engine stops rotating. Bypass valve distributes remaining dirty oil when the elements in the oil filter are dirty. Relief valve maintains constant oil pressure. Next, how the lubrication system works. The engine is turned on. The oil from the oil pan will be filtered by a strainer so that the particles enter the oil pump. Then the oil pump will rotate and distribute oil to all moving parts. Then go to the filter to filter out dirt. An anti-drain valve is installed to prevent oil from dropping into the oil pan when the engine stops rotating. Inside the filter, there is a bypass valve to channel the remaining dirty oil when the elements in the oil filter are dirty. Then, the lubricating oil is distributed to the components in contact, such as crankshaft and cylinder block, crankshaft with piston handlebar, piston with cylinder walls, camshaft with cylinder block, timing chain with timing gear, valve mechanism and rocker arm. Then, return to the oil pallet again with the engine oil pressure increase, which will affect engine performance. So, a relief valve is made, which is useful for maintaining the oil pressure to remain constant. One example of a lubrication system problem is the cause of the oil indicator light coming on. First, damaged oil pump, widening of gap between outer and inner. Second, oil filter is clogged if not replaced. Third, blocked oil passage. Fourth, low oil level. To ensure your car's lubrication system is working properly, you can change the oil every time the car travels 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers. Check whether there are oil spaces on the surface of the oil filling area after starting the engine. Check the oil indicator light, whether it lights up when the engine is running. The conclusion is that the lubrication system in the car engines really needs attention. We have heard and seen several cases of problems in cars related to the lubrication system.
This problem will be very dangerous for cars if left unchecked because it will affect the engine performance and performance of the car.